everybody. Today is date 57.
Yes, 57. January 3rd, 2021. Am I supposed to get off this exit? Yeah, good thing I just called in. Day number 57, January 3rd, and we are going to go back home. Sad. I'm so tired of this craziness and Shelly and James. We're gotta keep positive vibes, guys. That's all we can do, right, baby?
And try it's difficult.
Everything makes difficult, you know? And this is not the ideal setting to live in. It's cold. And we always say every day that it's gotta be in warm weather every day, beach and swimming and, no swimming, rollerblades, run, outside, exercise, fitness. Because Tyler needs to get in shape. Okay, and Thais will help me, so we're gonna do this together. I think we're gonna our goal is probably right now save some money, probably by March. Sounds like a good plan. About March, my birthday, we'll celebrate in a new place, so it'll be fun. It's about time, so yeah. So we're just gonna have some fun a little bit today before she goes back to work for crazy person, and after that we'll just relax and have a good day. All right.
Bye, guys. Have a good day.
We are on the Atlantic Ocean. This is the main ocean on the beach here in New York. Enjoying this beautiful sunshine, hot day. Look at those seagulls. They love Thais. The waves are actually pretty big today. Look at that. Yeah. There we are. Thank God for this, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you, God.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just gonna enjoy this little walk on the beach. It's actually pretty nice here. You think we should have went that way, babe, or no? Okay, I'll follow. I think Thais has to go bathroom.
Yeah.
You can see the smoke. It is frigid. Okay. Look at your shoes. White boots. So empty here. Quiet. Atlantic Ocean goes far. If I'm going down there, I'll go all the way. I'm gonna go all the way back to Europe. It's crazy. That plane is low. It's so cold.
Thank you, Tyler.
You're welcome. Ooh, parka. My little parka. Queen. princess. Oh, princess. My nose is cold. My ears are cold. Everything's cold. Oh my God. I don't know how we do this, but this is the life living in the Northwest. I swear, me and Rebecca, Trader Joe's is our favorite place. We go there every single time. I went to the one in White Plains here. You can spend literally under $100 and get groceries for like a month. And the best food I know, honestly. It's amazing. Everything they have there is just top notch. And it's cheap, organic stuff, healthy stuff. I got so many good things I'm going to show you when I get home. Usually me and my mom split the cost, but since I live here, I give her X amount of money and then she gets her own things, I get my own. And it saves me money for the month. And yeah, it's gonna be some good food. Exciting. So I'll show you a little bit about that later. I'm gonna go home. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I'm home right now. You can see the nice fire. Thanks to Mom putting the fire, right? I'm kidding. Where's he going? Anyways, I'm home. I'm ready to sleep. I'm tired. I got to work tomorrow. I was surprised because I really thought I had to work today. And then I saw my schedule. I'm off. I'm like, oh, thank God I'm off Sunday. This is so fun. So, no, my schedule was off. Oh, yeah, that's Rachel, by the way. She's here. Look at that person. So nice.
Happy New Year, guys.
She's such a nice person. A little crazy, though. She had a good time in Providence. Were you in Providence, Rachel, or Newport? Providence. Looked like a blast. So I think we're all excited about 2021. We have good things coming. Rachel's going to Boston. I'm going to move to Carolina. There's a lot of crazy stuff happening. Thank you. Love you guys. And God bless you. Bye. Take care.